Mwiriwe.
Nifuza kwishura ibibazo mu kirimi ikihe?
Mu Congereza.
Could you please tell us who you are and which region you represent?
Thank you. Dear esteemed judges, guests of honor, live spectators, good evening to you all. It's truly an honor to be the part of this Miss Burundi competition. My name is Mugisha Monica Celeste. I'm 19 years old and an ongoing university applicant. Currently, I'm a hair braider by profession, and I love debating. I also represent the district of Gitega, municipality of Gishubi. Thank you.
Thank you too. Contestant number 4, good evening.
Good evening.
Can you introduce yourself and tell us what region you represent?
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. My name is Wazahicha Tanya. I'm 21 years old, studied at Leadership University in Finance and Banking. I represent Burunga in Rutana Commune.
Mwiriwe.
Mwiriwe.
Mwifuza kuganira mu ruhe rurimi?
Icongereza.
English. Can you please tell us about yourself, a short introduction of yourself, and tell us the region you are representing in this competition?
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, dear honors, dear member of the jury, good evening. My name is Gateka Mahimajar Keisha. I'm 20 years old. I'm proud to represent my province Gitega and the district of Gitega as well. Currently, I'm a student at International Leadership University. I'm in 3rd year and I'm doing business and administration. I'm a passionate of music, singing especially, and I'm very honored to be in front of you as the contestant number 13 in Miss Burundi 2025. Thank you.
Mwiriwe.
Mwiriwe neza.
Mushaka kuganira mu rurimi uruhe?
Mu Congereza.
Mu Congereza.
Ego.
Okay. Can you please introduce yourself? Tell us shortly who you are and the region you're representing tonight.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. I go by the name of Sheikha Ineza. I'm 22 years old. I have completed my studies in law at University of Burundi. Now I work as assistant manager in engineering solution. I also own a shoe store. And I represent the province of Bujumbura. Thank you.
Morning Burundi, Uburundi burake.